Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of CNY Weathertainment. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, you can follow me on social media at CNY Jeff Matthews on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr. And we're finding ways to make this interactive with you as well as interconnect those social media sites. For instance, live stream, a way you can actually tune into a live weathercast right here at 5:55 every evening. So that's something new and exciting. Meanwhile, what else is new? Well, the temps. They're going down. Couldn't stay in the 60s and 70s forever. 48 is the average. The weekend will feature a cool down into the mid-50s on Saturday and the upper 40s on Sunday. But even as we get into next week, look at that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, every day at or above, in some cases by a number of degrees, average for the time of year. So November continues to look warmer than normal. 3 weather headlines to give you 3 things to look out for. Meanwhile, don't forget the 3 goals of Weathertainment. Most accurate forecasts, educational component, a way to make you smile. 3 weather headlines, dry weather for this weekend but cooler. Now, I should point out that there's a chance for some flurries Saturday night, especially while we sleep. But basically, you're probably going to wind up missing them even if they do happen. So basically a dry weekend but cooler. Weather headline number 2, no further rain until Wednesday night, so you don't need the umbrella until then. And I like to give you things to look out in the future for. Maybe the first snow, or the first accumulating snow, or something interesting, significant, or dramatic. And I see it turning colder somewhere around the 20th, give or take a day. So that would be something to look out for. Meanwhile, there's the cool front. That's ending the warm weather, going behind this warm wedge of air behind the warm front. The cold front shuts it off. And as you can also notice, a lot of cloudiness moving over the lakes, and the lakes are only going to enhance them, so I don't expect a lot of clearing into Saturday night, even into early Sunday morning before this high-pressure system clears out a lot of this cloud cover on the backside of the storminess and brings us a mix of sun and clouds for Sunday and sunny weather for back to work Monday, of course. Meanwhile, the radar close-up shows the shower activity having pushed off to the south and east. It was very light. In fact, most areas picked up a trace. The most I saw was Delta Lake and Sherburne, 2 very different places, that picked up 6/100ths of an inch from Friday. So not a lot of moisture in this system as it moved through, but it does shut off the warmer air. And as we go through time, the next 24 hours, well, the cloud cover will begin to erode, but you'll really begin to notice it on Sunday as opposed to Saturday. Now, in Otsego County, Madison County, you might pick up a fair amount of sunshine for Saturday midday, but don't expect a whole lot elsewhere. Certainly not Secoit, Waterville, Utica, Rome, northwards through the Adirondacks. I do not expect much in the way of sunshine until Sunday, late morning and afternoon. Meanwhile, a look at your almanac. It did indeed turn out warmer than I expected by 4 more degrees, and I'll have your complete forecast in a moment.
I'm Kevin, this is Danny, and this is Zoe, and we love our CNY Weathertainment.
Saturday's forecast mostly cloudy and cooler. Double nickels for highs. In fact, it may even be a stretch. 53 seems like an even better bet, but we'll say 55 to make it nice and simple to remember. Mostly cloudy skies. Mostly cloudy for Saturday night with a few flurries. A low, triple, or double threes. I got all these repeating numbers. Sunday, I couldn't find one, so let's go with 4 dozen cousin. How about that? Sun and fair weather clouds, breezy cool, a high in the upper 40s. Sunny on Monday, a high in the mid-50s. Sunny on Tuesday morning, but then clouding up for a time. And then bright Wednesday morning, and then clouding up with rain Wednesday night and on Thursday. That is a check of your weekend weather forecast. Make it a great day.